Hello, so welcome to session 1 of Mindfulness and Meditation. During the introductory video, we talked about what it means to be mindful in the present moment, and then what it means to meditate, exploring the inner workings of the mind and doing so without any sort of judgment. So let's take a moment to practice both. Start by coming into a comfortable position. And this could be seated on the floor, on a chair, or lying down in a relaxed and easy position. And take a moment here to notice your breath. Notice your surroundings. What information is coming in? Books, computer, the wall. Now let your gaze rest on one thing in front of you. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a long breath out through the mouth. If it feels appropriate in this moment, you can close your eyes or simply continuing to softly rest your gaze on one thing. Now notice the body and pay attention to the rise and fall of your chest as the breath moves in and out. Are there any areas where you might feel tension? Maybe where you might be gripping in the body. Bring your awareness to these spaces, and then can you release or soften in those areas? Notice how the breath still continues as a constant resource for you to tap into. Maybe if it's accessible to you, you can place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. If not, think about doing this without making any movement at all, so using the mind. Are you present and in the moment? If you find that your mind has wandered off, focus on the breath and bring yourself right back to the now. The mind will wander. It will try to latch on to a thought, and it will try to bring you along for the ride. But that's what the mind does. And so being mindful just means coming back into the present moment and knowing what's happening. Trust yourself to also remain present. Let your breath serve as an anchor to bring you right back to this moment, right now. Continue to breathe, and if it helps, as you place your hand on your belly, feel the rise and fall of your chest as you inhale and the rib cage expands, and as you exhale and everything deflates. Continue using the breath to bring you right back to this moment. Noticing what is happening in your body and how the mind tends to respond to this idea of stillness and silence. Continue to be aware of the present moment. Continue to breathe. And in essence, continue to let go and release. Whenever you're ready, you can flutter your eyes open, bringing your awareness back to the environment that you're in. And continue to take soft breaths. I hope to see you next time as we continue this journey of mindfulness and meditation.